Okay. This is a true story, but I'm going to provide you some information, background before I start it. And the background will be on numbers, obviously. We all have had experience with whole numbers, counting and so on. And if you add 0 and the negative whole numbers, you get the set of numbers called integers. Now, if you take and form a number by as a fraction, as a quotient of two integers, you get what is called a rational number. And every integer is trivially a rational number because it has a number to 1. Now there are numbers that are not rational.
Wives?
They are called irrational.
Not
I
wives?
don't think a mathematician came up with that word. But anyway, the irrational numbers consist of two kinds. There are algebraic irrational numbers and there are transcendental irrational numbers. Now, an irrational number is algebraic if it is a solution of a polynomial equation with integer coefficients. So, for example, x squared minus 2 has as a root the square root of 2, and that makes the square root of 2 an algebraic rational number. I will not bore you with what I call transcendental rational numbers. Now,
I'm standing there.
the number pi arises as a ratio between the circumference of the circle and its diameter. And people have written about pi for many, many years. In fact, you will find a reference to it in the Bible. In 1 Kings chapter 7, verse 23, we are being told about the construction of the temple and the things around the temple. And what this chapter focuses on is this big water device. I can't decide whether it was a baptistry or whether it was a place to wash off animals. But anyway, it was described in the following way. Now, the Jews had a number of problems, one of which was measurement. They didn't have such thing as feet or inches. So as a standard quote of measurement, they used something called a cubit. Now, a cubit is the length from your elbow to the third finger. My cubit is different from Bob's is different from John's is different from Mary Lou's. You all have different cubits, but this was used as a standard of measurement. When they're describing this device, they say it was 10 cubits across and 30 cubits around. That makes pi 3. We all know pi isn't. One of the nice features about Scripture is that it isn't absolutely correct in terms of things we know about today. But the beautiful part is the consistency. It's consistent with what the thought of the time. So having 3 for pi sounds ridiculous to us, but it turns out that the Egyptians thought that pi was 3 at that time. So maybe that's why they designed pyramids rather than spheres. About 300 BC, there was a group of Greek mathematicians called the Pythagoreans. I'm sure you all remember the Pythagoras theorem. And at that time, they thought that all numbers were rational. Well, some member of the group discovered that there were irrational numbers. For example, if you take a right triangle of size 1 and 1, you get hypotenuse of the square root of 2. It ain't rational. The fable is that they took the guy out and drowned him. But anyway, irrational numbers moved on the scene. In around 100 BC, Archimedes approximated pi to 3 decimal places. And that's a pretty nice feat when we have only an abacus to work with. Now, pi has had lots of verbiage throughout the generations. Even Euler made a contribution. But now comes the story. In 1892, a physician from Posey County in Indiana wrote to the state legislature saying, I have found out the number for pi, and I will share it with you But I'll ask you then to pass a law saying this is the number for pi, and then we can charge everybody in every other state every time they use the number. Well, the committee to whom this was sent set up a reading procedure, and they decided that there would be 3 readings for this. So just before the 3rd reading, the head of the math department for Purdue came down to check on a request for money that he had made earlier. And then he learned that they were about to make this 3rd reading on pi. And he got to the chairman of the committee and said, well, don't do this, this is not good. And so Indiana was saved much embarrassment. And in fact, about 5 years earlier, a mathematician had found pi, and it was not a rational number as, or an algebraic, rational as the physician did, thought it was, but it is interesting. That's my short reply.
Oh, thank you.